The question that I get asked all the time is, what's the number one tool or strategy that parents can use to help support their daughters when they're anxious? And that is a really great question that has a pretty complex answer, because there isn't one tool or strategy. I just finished running our Helping Worried Kids Toolkit for parents, and we spent the last 6 weeks covering the brain and body science, tools and strategies, and developing lots of awareness and understanding. And these parents, by the end of the 6 weeks, were like, oh, I really get it. I really realize that all of this is about planting seeds and helping water them and helping them to flourish, and that takes time. Working with anxiety in children is at a snail's pace. And I know when our kids are anxious, we want to speed things up and we want to make things better right away. But unfortunately, that's not the way anxiety works. So one of the best tools that you can use as a parent is to start off by recognizing your own nervous system state. Are you calm, cool, and zen? Are you super activated and anxious yourself? Are you frozen? Where are you? Because if you're not in that calm, cool, zen spot, you're not going to be very effective in helping your kid. So you need to get there. And the best way to get there is through taking nice, long, slow, deep breaths and self-care.